Hello kids, welcome to today's study class. Today we learn how to draw and how to color in pineapple and learn some lovely colors. These are colors. What is this kids? These are colors. Let's learn some colors name. This is blue color. Which color kids? Blue color. This is red color. Which color kids? Red color. This is light green color. Which color kids? Light green color. This is peach color. Which color kids? Peach color. This is sky blue color. This is yellow color. Which color kids? Yellow color. So kids, today we learn how to color in pineapple. Red color. We use multicolor in our pineapple. Light green color. Pink color. Pink color. Sky blue color. Sky blue color. Next, dark green color. Dark green color. Next, violet color. And violet color here. Next, light green color. No, we use dark green color. Yellow color. So kids, our pineapple is ready. Let's revise again. How many colors we have? Blue, light green, pink and dark green and violet. This is violet. So kids, I hope you like the video. If you like the video, please like and subscribe my channel. See you next video. Bye bye.